let us revise that what we need to keep it in mind before doing the simplification sum. So first thing is board mass, that is we will do brackets like first bracket, second bracket and third bracket, or we can say curved bracket or round bracket, curly bracket and box bracket. And another thing we need to remember is the sign rule, that is if minus and plus are there next to each other, then we have to do minus in our mind. That is if there is minus 2 plus 3, then we will do minus in our mind. So 3 minus 2 is 1 and the bigger number sign is plus, so answer will be in plus. Secondly, we have to remember that minus and minus we have to do addition, and plus and minus we have to do subtraction. In all the cases, answer will be according to bigger number sign. Now, you have to also remember that if there is minus 2 into plus 3, so 2 3s are 6 and minus plus answer in this case will be minus. So, this is the case of multiplication and this is the case of addition and subtraction. So if it is minus 2 into minus 3, we have minus and minus plus will be the answer. So 2 3s are 6, and if it is 2 minus 3, then also we will consider it as plus minus minus, so minus 6. Now let us start with the sum. So we have 14 minus 1 by 2 multiplied by, then curly bracket or the second bracket, 13 plus 2 minus 7 plus 5 minus 2 plus 3, which is under vinculum, and then this full thing is inside the first bracket and then it is closed by the second bracket or the curly bracket. So we know we have to first take up brackets. So there comes the first bracket. Whatever is there inside this, we should do it first. But before it, we have to do vinculum. So vinculum, under vinculum there is 2 plus 3. Let us write the full sum here again. 14 minus 1 by 2, curly bracket 13 plus 2 minus first bracket 7 plus 5 minus 2 plus 3. So whatever is inside the vinculum, under the vinculum. So 2 plus 3 is 5 and close with the first bracket, then comes second bracket. 14 minus 1 by 2 curly bracket 13 plus 2 minus, let us do whatever is there inside the first bracket. So we have 7 plus 5 minus 5. So plus 5 and minus 5 are 0 and there remains 7. And here comes the curly bracket. Now we have to do whatever is there inside this curly bracket. So 14 minus 1 by 2 curly bracket 13 plus 2 is 15 minus 7. Next step, we will again write the full thing as it is and we will do whatever is there inside curly bracket, that is 15 minus 7. Yes, you are correct. It is 8. Now while putting 8, when we understand that there will be no more operation, we may not put this bracket anymore and directly we can write like 14 minus 1 by 2 into 8. So we get 14. Now we have to do this multiplication first. So minus 2 times 4, we cancel it and we get 4. Then 14 minus 4 is 10. And here is our result for the third sum. Now let us take up the fourth sum. which is 14 plus 1 by 5 into third bracket or box bracket, then comes the second bracket. We have minus 10 into, then within the first bracket 25 minus under vinculum 13 minus 3, then first bracket closes, second bracket closes, and we have a division. Then within the first bracket there is minus 5 and the third bracket or the box bracket closes. Now first we have to decide that we have to take vinculum. So vinculum is inside the first bracket. We are going to do this step first. Let us write all other integers in the same manner given in the first line of the statement. So since we are doing the vinculum portion, 13 minus 3 is 10. So minus 10, then first bracket closes, second bracket, division sign, minus 5. We have 14 plus 1 by 5, box bracket, minus 10 into whatever is there within the first bracket. So 25 minus 10. Now this first bracket in the question is given to confuse you. This was not required. It is only given for the purpose of minus 5 to separate this negative 5 from the division. But the operation we need to do under this first bracket. So 25 minus 10 is 15. Second bracket closes, division and negative 5. 14 plus 1 by 5, box bracket. Now we will do whatever is under curly bracket, and it is minus 150 divided by minus 5. Now this comes under the box bracket. We need to do it now. So minus 150 divided by minus 5. See, we do like this. Minus 150 divided by minus 5. Minus minus gets cancelled. 5 times 1 and 5 times 30. So our answer is into, because we are removing this first bracket, no need of it in the next line. So we are putting the invisible multiplication sign into 30. So in this line, what do you think should come first? Which portion we should solve? Pause the video and think, and then again play the video to tally your answer. Yes, you are correct. We are doing the multiplication first. So 5 times 1 and 5 times 6. So we get 6 here. So 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. And here is the result of our fourth sum. Hope you have followed this simplification process. In my first video, you have the clippings of the questions, all the 5 questions. So you please do the 5th question as your homework, and then refer to my video 3rd for tallying your answer. Thank you.